Recording? Recording? So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to explode a potato with the whistling whistler. Take a freaking pair of scissors and make a nice good old hole in this potato. That way you can fit the head of this in there. That's a little sexual there, gone wrong. But, alright, cut that.
What?
Cut it. Going? So today I'm going to teach you how to explode a potato. You need a potato and you need a fire little whistling thing. Get a knife or scissors and drill you a hole. Stick that in there, the head of this, and then, alright, teach you guys how to do this. Right here, we already exploded a couple of them, as you can see on the ground. So what you're going to do, you're going to fit that big old potato right there, right in here, and you're going to light this sumbitch. Bam! And you're just going to watch it explode. Bop! Alright, that one didn't work. It was a dud because these are from the 1990s. Alright, we're going to stick another one up in this sumbitch. I'm going to like that. Alright, we're going to watch her go. She's going to explode. Or maybe not. So? You recording?
Mm-hmm. Last one.
Alright, this is the last one. We gotta make this count. Let's hope it works. Please work. Oh my gosh. No! Recording. Keep it open. Oh shit! Oh, Trey, close the door! Oh my! What? Ready? So today we learned a couple lessons. The little bung whistlers gave out on us, so I found an old firework and I ran because that sumbitch was hot and she was going hot. And we didn't quite get that on record, but you know, that's how it works. So more to come, more videos to come, because that was freaking fun. Catch you guys next time. See you later. Out.